Guys, welcome to today's video where I'm finally going to be doing something about my torn up, old, cracked leather seats. A lot of people think their only option is to go out and get their seat reupholstered by a shop or buy new leather for their seats and go through the hassle of installing that. But I wanted to skip all that because I don't really care how it looks under the surface. I just need something to cover it up that looks good and performs well, and something that accomplishes those goals cheaply. So I picked up a set of Coverado seat covers, just a generic set that works on trucks and SUVs, to see if I could achieve those goals for less than $200 or so, and with minimal effort on the install. These take anywhere from a half hour to an hour depending on your skill level, and it couldn't be simpler. Start by pulling the elastic straps through the plastic at the front of the seat there, attach the provided hooks to the elastic strap, and just hook it somewhere on the seat frame. The back of the seat bottoms is a bit different. You have some straps with buckles on them, but I'm going to show you that in a little bit. First, let's remove the armrest. Start by popping off this plastic cover, then get yourself a 14mm socket. Break that bolt loose and then remove the bolt. It's a long bolt, so it may take a minute. You could use some power tools to speed this up if you want. I would try to leave the bolt attached, or you can remove it as well. Then you're just going to get the Coverado seat cover seat back portion and slip that over the top. You can remove the headrest if you want, but I didn't find that to be necessary. To secure the bottoms of the seat backs, go ahead and apply these plastic chucks to the elastic straps, and there should be 3 of them at the bottom there. Then just shove the plastic chucks through between where the seat bottom and the seat back connect, and then turn the plastic chucks 90 degrees so that they attach themselves to the back of the seat like this. Back to the rear of the seat bottoms. Remember before I told you there are some elastic straps with buckles on them. Make sure you push this buckle underneath the plastic of the seat bottom. The other end goes through the gap like the plastic chucks we installed earlier, and just connect them up around like this, and then you can get a clean install with the Coverado seat cover stuffed into the seat plastic so there's no seam. Next, I'm going to install the headrest cover. I wasn't sure if I was going to use these or not, but I decided just to keep the color theme consistent and just to see how it looked. If I don't like it, I can always remove it. Now we're going to cut a hole in the seat covers to reinstall our armrest. So go ahead and get something sharp. Find the metal piece where the armrest attaches, make your incision there, put your sharp instrument away to avoid cutting anything else, and then open it up. You can open it up with your fingers to see where you're going. So just make enough room for that bolt to reach back into the threads. And once you find the threads, just go ahead and tighten that up. You know, there's no torque spec that I found for this, but good and tight is just fine. Test it out, put the plastic cap back on, and then you are finished with your seat cover install. I really like this mod because it's cheap and simple, and most GX470s have the torn seat issue that you might want to cover, or if it doesn't have that issue yet, you may want to prevent it from happening in the future, and these seat covers will enable you to protect them. Next up, I want to show you that I finally found a cup holder that will fit the big bottles that I like to take off-road and pretty much wherever else I go. This is from BC Off-Road Shop. As you can see, it's a high quality 3D print. It fits right in the stock location, and you have an awesome Lexus logo right there to remind you to go to Starbucks and get something venti. Go ahead and check out BC Off-Road Shop. The link is in the description. You could check out some of his other products that he has there as well, like diesel heater vents and stuff I've shown in previous videos. As always, I encourage you guys to support fellow GX off-roaders like yourself. Thanks so much for watching today's video, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.